Vinod Khanna was born October 6, 1946, was an Indian actor and producer of Bollywood films. He was the recipient of 2 Filmfare Awards. He was also an active politician and was the MP from the Gurdaspur constituency between 1998 to 2009 and 2014 to 2017. In July 2002, Khanna became the Minister for Culture and Tourism in the Atal Bihari Vajpayee cabinet. 6 months later he became the Minister of State for External Affairs. Khanna played lead roles in many films and is best remembered for his performances in Mere Apni, Mera Jayan, Mera Dish, Kuch Damage, Dade Art Imbihane, Mukhadar, A.A. Shikender, Inkar, The Mar Actor Anthony Rajput, The Burning Train, Kurtani Kudrat Parvarish, Kun Tasnup Diagan Chandni Enter. After making his debut in 1968, Khanna first acted in supporting and antagonistic roles as an angry young man in the movie Mere Apni, as the main villain in the super-hit movie Mera Jayan Mera Dish, and as the military officer turned fugitive in the critically acclaimed movie Akadnak, which was a film based on the events of K.M. Nana Bedi, state of Maharashtra. In 1982, at the peak of his film career, Khanna temporarily quit the film industry to follow his spiritual guru Osho Rajneesh. 11 After the 5-year hiatus, he returned to the Hindi film industry with 2 hit films, Insaf and Sabyamat Jagya. Early life. Khanna was born in a Punjabi family to Kamla and Kishan Chand Khanna on October 6, 1946, in Peshawar, British India, now in Pakistan. 1. He had 3 sisters and 1 brother. Shortly after his birth, India was petitioned and the family left Peshawar and moved to Mumbai. He attended St. Mary School, Mumbai until class II and then transferred to Delhi. In 1957, the family moved to Delhi where he attended Delhi Public School, Mathura Road. Although the family moved back to Mumbai in 1960, he was sent to Barnes School in Deolali, near Nashik. During his time at the boarding school, Khanna watched the epic Salva Saul and Mughal-e-Azam and fell in love with motion pictures. He graduated with a commerce degree from Sydenham College, Mumbai. 1968 to 1970, 1971 to 1982. Khanna was one of the few Hindi actors who began by playing villains and moved on to play the hero. 1920, he got his first break as the solo lead hero in the film Hum Tummer 1971 opposite Marathi Vishnuvardhan. It was followed by the 1971 multi-hero film about youth unrest 21 Mere Apni, directed by Guldar. 22. The romantic roles eluded him till the release of Mastana and Hum Tummer, both with Marathi. After his performance in songs as Name Kabhi in film Parchhayan film, he started getting romantic roles. The songs Pre-Praneshwari and Dood Batan Ki Mujhko became popular from the former. Khanna lended his voice in song Tu Milaliye with Shabitha in Hum Tummer 23. In 1973, his performance as an army officer facing death row in another film scripted and directed by Guldar Akadnak was critically acclaimed. 21. It echoed the true life story of K.M. Nana Bedi versus State of Maharashtra, and Khanna portrayed Khadat Nana Bedi, the real-life Navy officer. 17. In 1974, he played B.A. college professor in Imbihane, which was different than his action movie roles. The movie was successful commercially in spite of releasing with Ravi Kapoor Makan and Najbor. This movie had the song Rukjan Nathi Kahin Haderki, pictures done by Khanna's Amar Akbar Anthony and Mukhadar. A.A. Shikender were the highest-grossing Indian movies of 1977 and 1978 respectively. 28, 29, 30. Mukhadar. A.A. Shikender was third highest-grossing Hindi movie in the 1970s after Sholay and Body. Main Tulsi Tarangan Ki was released in 1978. In this movie, Khanna played a supporting male lead to Shapur and Newton. 1987 to 2017. In 1987, Khanna returned to films with Insaf, where he performed with Dimple Kapadia. 41. After his comeback, he played romantic roles in Jern and Chandni, but he was mostly offered roles in action films. 42. After Amar Akbar Anthony. 43. His music Barley directed Dimple Kapadia stars Zawani is still unreleased. 44. 45. After Kurbani, he worked with Viraj Khan again in Diagan in 1988. The movie was a remake of Maniratnam's 1987 Tamil movie Nayakan. 46. Khanna appeared in films including Mukhadar, A.A. Baj, A.H. C. I. Dieter Leeken and Hum Shakel A.A. Priadiala Mahasangram Kuk A.A. Cards Police or Mushroom Kshatriya Binzani Yukadekta Ekarajarani and Iganina Dita Actor Salman Khan played supporting role in film Nishchai where Pinat Anna is in lead role. His pairing with Meenakshi Seshadri was appreciated by audiences and the pair made films like Jur Mahe Ayadek Police or Mushroom Hum Shakel and Subyamat Jagya. Actor Ranjit directed Karnama in 1990 with China in the lead role. He co-starred with Rajkumar in Suryan in Awakening. In 1997 he launched his son Akshay Khanna in Thimliputram in which he also starred alongside him. In 1999 Vinod Khanna received a Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award for his contribution to the industry for over 3 decades. Since then he started playing character roles in films like Deewanatan 2002, Red Alert, The War Within, Wanted 2009 and Dabangg 2010. In 2007 he starred in the Pakistani film Godfather. Khanna also ventured into television playing the male lead role of Kashinath in the Samriti Irani produced Hindi serial Meer Apni which aired on the channel 9X in 2009. In 2014 he played the lead role in Koi Elanchal where he played a role of a godfather and leader of the Coal Mafia. 47 He made his last film appearance in the 2015 film Dilwale alongside Shah Rukh Khan. Politics. In 1997 Khanna joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP 48 and was elected from Gurdaspur constituency in Punjab in the next year's Lok Sabha poll. In 1999 he was re-elected to the Lok Sabha from the same constituency. Later he became Union Minister for Culture and Tourism in July 2002. 6 months later he was moved to the Ministry of External Affairs (MBA) as Minister of State. In 2004 he won re-election from Gurdaspur. However, Khanna lost out in the 2009 general elections. In 2014 general election he was again elected for 16th Lok Sabha from same constituency. Personal life. Khanna met his first wife Gitanjali in college. Khanna married Gitanjali in 1971 and had 2 sons with her. Rahul and Akshay both became Bollywood actors. In 1975 he became a disciple of Osho and in the early 1980s moved to Rajneeshpuram. Khanna and Gitanjali settled for a divorce in 1985. In 1990 upon returning to India Khanna married Kavita Daftari, daughter of an industrialist Sharayu Daftari. They had a son Sakshi born 1991 and a daughter Shraddha. Illness and death. Khanna was hospitalized at the Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital and Research Center in Gurgaon, Mumbai on April 2, 2017 for a few weeks after suffering from severe dehydration. He died at 11:20 a.m. on April 27, and it was revealed that he had been battling advanced bladder cancer. Although the news about his deteriorating health started to spread in early 2017, his family declined to disclose any information. He was cremated at Worli Crematorium on the same day.